Hello there. Today I'm on my iPad to show you how you can add screen recording to your iPad. The first thing you'll need to do is open Settings and then find Control Center. So I found Control Center and then I've tapped Customize Controls. Once you tap Customize Controls, you'll see a list of widgets that you can add to your Control Center. You want to locate screen recording in the list and then tap the plus sign beside it. That will add screen recording to your Control Center so that now when I swipe down, I see Control Center located right here. Just tap that to start the recording. It'll give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. Swipe back down on Control Center and tap screen recording to stop your recording. It's just that simple. As always, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.